Good morning from the Beach Club Resort. We are at Cape May for their character breakfast this morning. We're going to eat, have some fun, meet some characters. Come join us. This bread is amazing. And whatever this sauce is, I don't know what this sauce is that you dip the bread in. It's so good. So good. Looks like there's some crepes. Yummy. Yummy. Some other kind of crepes with some strawberry. Yummy. Mickey waffles. Minnie waffles. Is it Mickey or Minnie?
Both.
Both. Okay. Got some bread pudding, Mickey and Minnie shaped waffles, some pancakes, some house-made cheddar biscuits and gravy. Breakfast potatoes, sausage, bacon, eggs, yummy. They have like a charcuterie board and some muffins and croissants. They have some fruits, yummy oatmeal, grits. They even have a make your own omelet bar. So you just tell them what you want and they make it for you. Minnie. I love their outfits. Bye, Minnie. I love your outfit. So this is what I got. I got this like eggs Benedict type thing. It's a poached egg over like seasonal hash with hollandaise sauce. I got some tater tots under there, under the bacon. I got some sausage, some eggs. She got some potatoes, and she got a Mickey waffle and some fruit. That looks all delicious. And we got pog juice. They have pog juice here. The best juice ever. Oh, yeah. Grayson got some, what is that, biscuits and gravy and a croissant. And then he got some of the, what is that called, crepes. He got a crepe and some yogurt that he just destroyed. Is it good? Yeah. What the? There's whatever you're eating is all over your face.
Say hi, Goofy.
You want to say hi to Goofy?
Say hi to Goofy.
So whatever this hash underneath this poached egg, like almost like a baked eggs Benedict, it's so good. It's delicious. Again, I don't know what it is, but it's so good. So I had to go back and get some biscuits and gravy because Lindy said that they are the best biscuits and gravy because the biscuits are very soft and they seem soft. I love me some biscuits and gravy. Oh, wow. These are delicious. You like biscuits and gravy? These are like the best biscuits and gravy that I've had at a resort. Usually they're like really hard. The biscuit is. The biscuit's so soft. And the flavors are really good. It's so good. It's so good. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And last but not least, it's Daisy. Yay. Yay, Daisy. I love your outfit, Daisy. Very nice. Oh, I like. Oh, very. Oh. So that breakfast at Cape May was the best breakfast that we've had at any of the resorts. Like, it was so good. Like, all the food was so fresh and good, and the biscuits and gravy were delicious. The eggs Benedict type thing that I had was delicious. The characters were fun. I like their outfits. They're like summer outfits. They're like beachy outfits. They're really, really, really cool. We had a great time. It's very hard to get a reservation there. And I see why, because we've never eaten there, and that was the first time we've ever eaten there, and I can see why it is so hard to get a reservation there, because it's so much fun and the food is delicious. That's like, again, one of the best breakfasts that we've had on any of the properties at Disney. So I highly suggest going to the character breakfast at Cape May. I wonder how their lunch and dinner is. I know it's not a character dining, but I wonder how their food is there, if their breakfast is so dang good. But yeah, we'll see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.